Hello, today I'll show you how to repair an inkjet printhead. So this is a regular HP inkjet printhead, and then one of the lines on the printhead is clogged. That is, it doesn't come out at all. I'm going to show you what I mean. On a piece of paper you can see you have the cyan, yellow and the black color, but the magenta yeah, the magenta is missing. So I'm going to show you how to be able to resolve this issue. So I've taken out the two screws on top of the print head. Depends on the kind of printer you're using. So I'm going to take out these screws also and gently remove these flex cable. Then that will leave me with this out. So if you inspect closely, you discover that all of them are covered. You can see all the colors are covered except one, which is the magenta. The magenta is actually open for one reason or the other. I don't know how that happened. So there is no more pressure. The reason why this is covered is so that it can supply pressure when the inkjet is about to print on the paper. But since it is broken, the line on there, the seal there is broken, so there is no longer pressure. Air escapes, so there is no power to force the ink through the printhead again. So to be able to resolve this, the first thing you want to do is to close up this particular spot. I'm going to close this up. If I close it up, it will supply pressure to the magenta, and then it will be able to force it out of the nozzle of the printhead. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to get a piece of this is made of plastic nylon, so I'm going to get something like a plastic nylon and I'm going to use it on it. You can also use polyethylene material, but something soft or something that is the same, the material is that is consistent with the material on this. So I'm going to get that and then I'm going to just stick it back. That is what I'm doing right now. So in case you haven't subscribed already, I have great videos on this channel. You subscribe to the channel. I have a whole lot of videos on how to repair all kinds of office equipment. In case you haven't done already, just like and subscribe. And if I have any question on how to fix any office equipment at all or this particular video, just hit me up in the comment section and I'll do everything within my power to respond to you in due time. So I've been able to cover up the hole on it, so that is enough pressure now. So what I'm going to do right now is just to close it up, fix the screws back and then put it in the printer, and hopefully the problem is solved. So the first thing you need to look out for, if one of the nozzle is completely blocked, just like this one is, first of all try to flush it out, do your printhead cleaning. If that doesn't work, you have to remove the printhead itself and then open it the way I did and check out for that pressure area. Check if one of the pressure area is open. Sometimes they do just burst open on their own due to too much pressure and then nothing is actually coming out. So when the air builds up on that particular spot, it can burst that particular nozzle open and then it leaves it without any pressure at all, and that particular ink will not be able to flow through the nozzle. So that is it. I'll see you some other time. Thanks.